The Grand Palais in Paris invites us into the mesmerizing world of Chiharu Shiota. A groundbreaking exhibition, The Soul Trembles, offers a sweeping look at the Japanese artist's 20-year career. Right from the start, an ethereal installation suspended above the monumental staircase forms a canopy that cradles boat-like forms reminiscent of angel wings, establishing the scale for what is to come. Chiharu Shiota, born in Osaka in 1972, has been based in Berlin since 1999. Her artistic journey began with traditional painting studies in Kyoto, but a desire to break free from conventional mediums led her to explore new forms of expression. Right in the first room, we encounter a bronze sculpture that encapsulates the essence of Shiota's work. Two open hands release delicate metallic threads like fragile needles reaching out into space. This piece embodies the artist's quest to make emotions visible, to capture the trembling of the soul in tangible form. Moving deeper into the exhibition, we are confronted with Shiota's vast net of black, red, or white threads filling entire rooms, creating cocoon-like environments that engulf us viewers. One of the most striking installations is Uncertain Journey, where waves of red threads erupt from empty black boats. This immersive experience connects to personal emotions and memories while also evoking global issues like the refugee crisis. Shiota explains the symbolism of her color choices. Black expresses the vast expanse of this deep universe, while red expresses the threads that connect one person to another, as well as the color of blood. We encounter everyday objects trapped within Shiota's intricate webs. Chairs, beds, dresses, and keys are suspended in space, each item carrying the memories of those who once possessed them. Shiota presents a collection of dollhouse furniture sourced from Berlin flea markets. These miniature objects serve as conduits to connect with their former owners, bridging past and present. While Shiota is best known for her thread installations, the exhibition also showcases her versatility as an artist, with delicate drawings and sculptures that offer insight into her creative process. These works, often created during periods of personal challenge, serve as a form of visual diary for the artist. In a departure from her thread-based works, we come across an installation composed entirely of discarded window frames from former East Berlin. This piece speaks to themes of memory, history, and the layers of human experience. Shiota herself explains that she views her work as a form of three-dimensional painting, saying that she draws in the air. For her, art is not about providing answers, but about provoking individual responses. She believes that if you ask 100 people about the exhibition, you'll receive 100 different answers. This exhibit, first conceived by the Mori Art Museum in Tokyo in 2019, has been thoughtfully adapted for the Grand Palais. Curator Mami Kataoka worked closely with Shiota to create a narrative that truly captures the essence of the artist's vision. Many of Shiota's installations are temporary, existing only for the duration of the exhibition. This transient nature adds another dimension to the work, encouraging viewers to fully immerse themselves in the present moment and carry the experience in their memories. The exhibition, The Soul Trembles, touches on recurring themes of connection, memory, and emotion that permeate Shiota's work. The threads serve as metaphors for the invisible bonds that link us all, the connections to our own memories, to each other, to our common past, and to the wider world.